honey glazed pork tenderloin for main course on my Italian evening dinner party. This is what we will be preparing today. Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my kitchen. Tonight I'm having my Italian night's dinner party, and for main course I've decided I'm going to prepare honey glazed pork tenderloin. Delicious. Now let's get started. For medium to high heat, melt 2 tablespoons of clarified butter. Using 2 tenderloins, before I came out here, I removed all the silver skin. Season with seasoned salt, both sides. The pan is nice and hot. Place your pork tenderloin, and in the pan we're going to sear it on all sides. While the pork loin is searing, we're going to start with the basting sauce. A cup of honey. You see how it's not sticking? I sprayed the container of tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. But a really good mix, and we're going to set this aside. Heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pork tenderloin has seared beautifully on all sides. Close your stove. I'm only going to pour half of the basting sauce over the pork tenderloin. I'm going to hold on to some because I'm going to baste every 10 minutes while it's in the oven. I'm going to say it's a little bit early, but if you could only smell my kitchen. I will check it. Once the internal temperature is 145, I'll know that it's ready. Every 10 minutes, baste your pork tenderloin. My honey glazed pork tenderloin is ready. I'm just going to slather it with that beautiful gravy that it made all by itself. And I'm going to taste a little bit for you. My guests are going to love it. Delicioso. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you will try this marvelous dish, and it's Caterina from My Home to Yours. Hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Ciao.